All right, so today we have this silver wave land card. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly what's going to be inside there. We found it in some old Apple technology. Hey, if you guys haven't seen that video, check it out. But we're just going to run with it because honestly, I've got some live feeds I need to get to. I got to go check out some of my other fellow scrappers. So we're going to just crack this guy open and see what's going on inside there. I'm not sure exactly what's going to be in any of it. It's all been kind of just a hit or miss with this Apple technology. Sometimes it's worse stuff, and sometimes you don't get anything whatsoever out of it. It's kind of interesting. But on a majority, I've been getting quite a bit of actual free gold. Like, quite a bit. I've been really actually shocked in a lot of the stuff, especially like the mice. The computer mice, especially, have. Kind of piqued my interest. I have a whole bunch more of them, so I'm going to do some more on camera because you guys are interested in seeing them as well. So let's get in there. So what do we got right off the bat before we even get any further in there? We're automatically going to see some gold. Yeah, for sure. There's going to be gold all over. I know you hear my voice change because we quit using that mic. But there's some gold pins in there to be had, and there's going to be some secrets underneath of all of this stuff. That's for sure. It's just going to be more plastic again. I say it in every video, you can't avoid the plastic. So what else are you going to have? You're going to have some metal here, and I'm pretty sure this is going to be stainless steel or aluminum. I'm not sure because I don't have my hands on my magnet yet. But look at the backside of that board. My gosh, is that a beautiful little board. Wow, we're gonna have to get in closer on this guy and look. And I also want to get these little shields off of there because man, is that not an impressive board? Again, this was the second part of what we took off of that piece of Apple technology. Man, oh man. Okay, yeah, this is just great. This is just nice. You can't find this amount of stuff in your everyday electronics, like in your newer electronics. You just can't find it. And I know I'm kind of stumbling because I am just a bit flabbergasted in the amount of stuff that is on here. So let's get these shields off and we're going to take a closer look. So again, if you just get in here with your side nippers or your flush cutters, you can just start peeling that lid back like a tin can. I started opening it and I realized I should just be doing this on camera for you guys because there is so much stuff on this little board. Every little part is probably going to have some material inside of it, and we're not going to want to miss any of it. I tell you guys what, so we're going to get the bigger clippers here, and I'm trying to take these guys off so they don't break or knock anything else off with it. But okay, let's look underneath the first one. Yeah, look at all that gold. The gold flashing is going to be thin for sure, but hey, it's there and we don't pass it up. And those are going to be some nice chips underneath there. I'm having trouble looking in underneath of that one particular guy right there, but hey, I know for a fact that's going to have some high yield of gold inside of it. So now we're going to get this guy cracked off right here. And so yeah, you'll see little holes in there, and if you get your little cutters in there and you can kind of, you know, wiggle that corner and little shimmy jimmy, and it'll usually pop up to where you can get your bigger ones. But if you do it too aggressively, I tell you guys what, I learned my lesson and I lost a bunch of stuff, just went flying across my shop, and I never found it again, unfortunately. Maybe I will one day when I vacuum out there again. I have no idea. But so, you know, you guys want to take a little bit of consideration when you're doing this. Because if you're going to be micro scrapping, you could be throwing so much gold away when you let that stuff just fling across. And sometimes there's not so much stuff underneath there. Hey, but that's the digs. That's what happens, you know, because that stuff right there is what's going to make the difference 100% for sure. So we're going to get back under this guy here and just see if we strike out or if there's something super sweet underneath this guy as well. Again, you're gonna want your safety glasses on. I know nobody wants to hear it, nobody wants to be told about it, but hey, it's important because if you guys don't have your safety glasses on, the stuff that's flying out of here will get in your eyeballs. That is a fact. All right, so let's get down on this guy. There's gonna be more ceramic, and there's gonna be more gold bond wires in there. That's for a fact. And you can see this guy right here. There's just gold everywhere. I don't even know what to say because every time I try to point something out to you guys, I see another gold chunk inside of the camera. And that's right, that's gonna be a ceramic gold rim oscillator, whatever you guys want to call them, but they're beautiful and they're nice. And we collect up. That's what we're looking for. These little gems right here, what you're seeing on the screen unfold right now, it's not dramatic, it's serious. Like, this is the stuff that us micro scrappers are absolutely looking for. We dig through stuff just to find these little gems, and I don't know how I managed to come across a whole garbage can full of them, but I tell you what, this is why you guys just never pass your stuff up. All the people that watch my videos and things, we stumble through some stuff, but hey, you guys learn that sometimes some of the most ubiquitous, or the items you see every day or walk past them every day, can contain some decent amount of precious metals inside of them, and that's what we're here for. We're here to learn, and I'm learning just as much as you guys are, I hope. And if you guys are learning anything new, hit that subscribe button. I know I say it in every video and some people get tired of it, but hey, that's how we make this channel go around, and that's how we find wonderful stuff like this for you guys to check out. And yeah, so right there, even by my thumb, that's going to be a really thin form of Enig gold. It's there. It's not as shiny as some of the other gold you're seeing, but it's there and exists. So what are we going to do with this board? Well, we're going to clip these pins off, because yes, there's going to be gold inside of those pins as well, because the male counterpart of these pins came out of the other material we took in the other video, so go check that out if you guys want to see that. But that gold plated connector right here, now that's not going to be solid gold, but hey, that is a wonderful specimen of a nice chunk of plated gold, and it's all over. That's just solder on there, so as soon as you get that solder off of there, you're gonna have all that gold to be had. And yes, you find speakers in cell phones and things that are just as plated as that. So if you guys haven't seen the cell phone video, again, check that out, because there's an amazing speaker inside of them. And these gold pins right here are going to be they're just the bee's knees for what I do. Yeah, I do a round robin in my stock pot, and I put this stuff in there, and I let it eat all the base metals off of this board, and it floats the gold away. I take the gold off of there, I process it in a pretty easy process, and I bring it to where I sell it, and I sell my gold. That's how I do it, and I use my stock pot as sort of a bank that I've been putting stuff into, my personal one, not the one we use for the channel. And I will take the gold out of that stock pot and I will go sell it, and now I have a new furnace. That's the way certain things work in this life, and that's just how it goes. So this was all unedited. I hope you guys had fun. We're just doing this one on the fly before I gotta run out and go do something. But for all you guys that haven't checked out that video, when you guys start getting into scrap like this, that's when you're really gonna start making your money, for sure. Absolutely. So for all you guys that have hung out throughout this whole video, hey, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, do so, because we show you how to get free gold from material like this every day. And if we don't get one up there every day for you guys, we try to do the best we can. Go watch the older videos, because yes, those are still relevant. We have game systems, all sorts of things that hold all this valuable gold. So again, for my subscribers, thanks a lot for watching. For my wife, I love you. And for my kids, go wash your face.